Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today I wanted to do a different type of video and share my space, show you where I work and how I produce the gorgeous meals that you've fallen in love with. So let's get started right now. So in case you guys haven't noticed in watching my cooking videos, I don't have a really big kitchen. You can literally span the whole kitchen in 4 steps. That's it. Some of you who might have a kitchen which is this small might not be motivated to make food because you're thinking, I just don't have the space. I can't produce good food. That's why I cook simple stuff like noodles and boiled eggs and boring stuff like that, KD. But today I want to show you that space is not a big deal. You can create anything you want with minimal space. It's how you use the space which would really make the big difference. So let's start with the counters. Here's one and there's the other, and that's it. Even though these small little counters might pose as a challenge if you're making huge complicated meals, so those of you who do work in kitchens with 1 or 2 counters must find that it turns into a pile of crap so quick, and ultimately forces you to work clean and really develop some organizational skills and time management, because you have to finish your meal. You can't stay in the kitchen all day long, and it forces you to clean as you go and really make sure everything is in place, which I find is a really key skill in your daily life. And just because you're not in the most luxurious and spacious kitchen, don't let that stop you from getting the best equipment. As you see, I've put all my nice equipment on the rack, and it's not just for display. It is also a really good way to avoid your pans from getting damaged as they're stacked on top of each other in your drawers, sliding around. And when I do get a luxurious kitchen in the near future, this will be a great space saver and a great showcase. Finally, this mini stove comes with a lot of challenges when I'm making these complicated dishes. Like move stuff around, put it strategically so that everything fits properly. Not all the coils are super powerful, so that has another problem. But at the end of the day, I've learned to deal with it, and now I just learned to look away from it, and I just know how it works. So even if you have a generic crappy stove that your apartment gave you, that doesn't mean that you can't create great dishes. So there you have it, guys. I finally showed you where all this gorgeous food that you've been seeing on Instagram and YouTube, where all this has been coming from. This was a short one, but that's not a big surprise because this is a really small kitchen, and don't let that stop you. So go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and don't let your kitchen space stop you from making great dishes. Next on this series, I'll be talking about my favorite tools and gadgets in the kitchen which I can't live without. So be sure to check that out, and I'll see you guys again on the next